Today, I'm making cake pops. Mmm, that's good. Yum. Okay, so it started with two muffins, minus a little bit that we've eaten already. We don't know the ratio yet, but we'll let you know how much of this we use. So, we'll let you know. We decided to do a little bit more seasoning, so we have cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg. Oh yeah. We used about half of the cream cheese frosting for two muffins, so if you guys are following along. All right. Definitely needs more cinnamon. We'll put a little bit more cinnamon in, and then I think we're gonna ball them up and then put them in the freezer. So, but yes, going back to the ingredients list. So we used two muffins with it's about half of the cream cheese. So we got our bowl of dough. So now I'm going to take a little bit. I'm not going to weigh it because I'm not that precise. And roll it. That seems a little too small, but I'll see how that one goes. I'm going to do a little bit bigger, maybe that much. I'm thinking golf ball size. So that's a little bit bigger than a golf ball, but take a little bit out. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm looking for. It's like size like that. And then we'll see how that goes. All right, so the bowl is empty. So I'm gonna put this away. And then we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. We'd probably have 12 if we didn't eat the amount of muffins that we did. So 12, which would be a lot of savings. If you bought 12 of these from Starbucks, you'd spend about $1,000. So put them in the freezer so they could chill, and we'll be back. All right. So I have the skewers. I'm going to try to cut them in thirds. I'm going to try it to see if that is going to be long enough. So I have this X-Acto knife. I'm just going to cut off the little pokey thing. Okay, maybe if I score it and then just break it, that works. Okay, so now I have to estimate how far a third is. So let me try that. Score it, break it. It's not too bad. Okay, that's pretty off, but hey, we're not Starbucks, so we don't have to be perfect. Then I want to put the sticks in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Nice. Okay. Cool. Now that there's have the sticks in them, we get to put them back in the freezer so they can firm up and be chilly for the um, white chocolate. All right, so we got our white chocolate. We're using the Ghirardelli white vanilla flavored. I just put, I don't know, still quite a bit in here, just a little bit. So I'm going to melt this in the microwave. 20 seconds, power level. We're going to do, I'm going to start 30%. All right, so I put it in there for about a minute and a half at 30%, and actually it's looking pretty good. Pretty melty, and let's see what I can do. 12 cake pops, assembly line. Let's see. Okay, I was afraid of that. That does not look good. Okay, so there's that. And that's the original hole. There. Not bad for the first one. And I'm going to leave this right here for now. So we'll see how that works. And instead of just doing this, I'm going to dip this in chocolate and dipping it in this hole. And this one should be hard enough to where it won't come off the stick anymore. So let's try that. Oh, no, it's twisting out. So let's try a different dip. Just grab a spoon and kind of do that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Let's see if I can take this off gently. Wipe off any of the extra chocolate. Okay, that one's worse than the first one. But let's put it on the stand. Oh no. Alright, let me figure this out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drizzle down this a little bit. That doesn't look half bad. And then the rest I'm going to dunk in like this. Actually, that looks good. And sprinkle with some cinnamon. Okay, I'm going to do that for the rest of these now. Definitely the most unique. Put some texture on the top. There we go. Alright, so here we have 2 cake pops that are still cooling. This was the last one I just did. And here are the only ones cooling, or they're mainly cooled, so these are pretty good to eat. And then on some of them we put cinnamon on. So I cannot wait to eat this. I am so excited. All right, we are done with our cake pops, and look how good they look. But do they taste good? Oh, so good. Definitely recommend. Mm. These aren't too pumpkiny. Depending on how much white chocolate is on the coating, I could give it too sweet, but I think the amount that we did is perfect.